Her
What's your
patua
name?
was smooth,
I'm
but
LC.
Kwame Eugene's heart
LC.
weakened me the
Okay.
most tears of
Which
joy
class?
smiling face.
2A4.
2A4. Okay. Who is your favorite artist?
Ayeshan.
Aishan. Okay. Who is your celebrity crush?
So you call me Eugene.
Eh?
Call me Eugene.
Kwame Eugene. Okay. So give me one of your favorite artist song.
Okay, I want to sing Awaya Depan by Ayeshan.
Good. Let's go.
Okay. And on my car, can I? Mupag the night. She said to see and can't look up for pipe. And the word me a kaki a synchronize. You never know me a teacher prototype. Take batty girl, away the pan. And me a hatch up the place, catchy pepper. Girl a climb on the window and the dresser and the steel and the legs off in my shelf, it take off. Make your bones a trampoline to see you can play with me if your hand are clean. No play hardware run the clique. A crocodile dog myself for she. You're a taco, away the pan. You want me use on me right now, me left hand. Me chin not touch no front like this. Come here, real bad man like this. Rum putu, nanyam putu. She love guzu, she love me too. She wap be wife, she not putu.
Okay.
She ugly like a jankunu.
Okay. Thank you. Give us a shout out. Shout out to.
Shout out to Patricia in my class. Shout out to Katrin. Shout out to Kekeli. Shout out to Charity. Shout out to Esther.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.